So the first thing that we're going to do in this haircut is we're going to take our clippers. You can see I've got the shortest guard on possible, and I'm just going to go through and remove a lot of the bulk and weight on the lower half of the sides and back. So basically everything on the lower half of the right side, I'm just scooping up and scooping out as I get higher up the head. Then I'm going to work my way to the back, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. As I get to the occipital bone, I will scoop up and out. We're going to leave the upper half of the sides and back for later, but right now I'm just removing a lot of the bulk and weight on the lower half of the sides and back. Alright, so now that I've completed cutting the lower half of the sides and back with the guard on, you can see I've now taken the guard off. And what I'm doing is I'm going through and just addressing the outline. I'm going to take the outline a little bit tighter around the sideburn, around the ear, the back of the neck, and I'm going to work my way all the way around the head. Alright, so now that we've completed cutting the lower half of the sides and back, it is time to cut the upper half of the sides and back. And you can see I'm doing that through my fingers. I'm just working my way around the head, and I'm just blending the lower half of the sides and back to the upper half of the sides and back. Once I've completed this, then I will cut the top, and then we will be pretty much all done. Alright, so now it is time to go and layer up the top, taking the length down a little bit so it's not as heavy. And I'm just going to work my way up towards the front of the forehead. So I'm taking sections back by the crown, working my way up toward the forehead, just over-directing to the previous section. And as I get closer to the front, I'll over-direct a little bit more because I want to keep the length in the front. All right, so once we finish the layering at the top, we'll pretty much be all done with the haircut. Alright, so we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.